This is a demo for my data curtain used to hide and restore information from coworkers or employees, and is also a replacement for Service Guru's attachment privacy add-on.
Let's get started. On the dispatch board, select a job. You'll notice there are some photos and files attached. Now, click More, then Add-ons, and select My Data Curtain. Here, you'll see two main sections, Current Items and Hidden Items. Let's start with Current Items. This section includes three parts: Current Attachments, Current Notes, and Current Forms. In Current Attachments, you can view the visible files linked to the job by Control and click. To manage them, you can either select all attachments to hide at once, choose specific ones to hide, or hide them one by one. And you see a confirmation message. Once the page refreshes, the selected attachments have been successfully hidden. For Current Notes and Current Forms, you can only hide them. You won't be able to preview their content. You can hide them to use the Select All option, select a few, or individually. Now let's move to Hidden Items, which contains four parts: Hidden Attachments, Hidden Notes, Hidden Forms, and Hidden Jobs. In Hidden Attachments, you're able to preview each file by Control and click, but restoring them must be done one at a time. Once restored, they will reappear under Current Attachments and on the job card. Hidden Notes can't be viewed, but can be restored individually. After clicking Restore and confirming the action, the page will refresh to show the updated status. Hidden Forms work the same way as Hidden Notes. Finally, in Hidden Jobs, you'll see a list of jobs that were previously hidden.
If you want to hide current job, you need close the job card and return to My Data Curtain. Just click the Hide Current Job button.
A successful message and page refresh mean it's been hidden properly. You can also restore hidden jobs from this section if needed. Once a job is hidden, staff members who don't have permission to access My Data Curtain from Job will no longer be able to see it. Next, I'll show you how to set up staff permissions. First, it's important to know that only users with admin access can manage staff permissions. To get started, go to your account, choose Add-ons, and click My Data Curtain. Here, you'll see a staff permissions table. This table shows each staff member's name, job title, and their current permissions. You can freely update the permissions for other staff members, specifically whether they have access from job card or whether they are set as admin. However, you won't be able to change your own permissions. Once you've made the necessary changes, just click Submit to save. Also,
Without access from job card,
staff won't be able to open the My Data Curtain panel on the job card in the dispatch board. That means they won't have access to the hide or restore features at all. That is everything you need to know for My Data Curtain. Thank you for watching.